Third week in June, and we are planting more corn. Need some more corn. This would be a lot easier if I had a tiller or tractor, but we're just using shovel, break up the ground, and then plant the seeds, or actually pods. We've already started the seeds. This is a soil cover. It's very fragile. You can poke a hole through it, plant your stuff, and you can get it at Walmart, Lowe's, Home Depot, Garden Center, wherever you hardware stores. Just lay this out, and you don't have to weed so much. Just where the grass seems to come through at the seams, you can work on it there. But makes things a lot easier, especially if you don't have a big garden tiller to pull out all the weeds before you plant. As you can see, we've already got some stuff going, and but we want more corn. Some of our corn didn't take because it was on too rocky soil, so we're going to plant some more corn. Anyway. Here we see the seed pods that Ness has planted a few days ago. We're just hoping that it's not too late in the year to be able to harvest some crops and get some corn.
Yeah, these seed pods popped up so fast, it was just amazing. When you go to plant these pods, you're gonna cut a little slit in this weed barrier. These weed barriers are great. And you're going to put the pod, dig a little hole, put the pod down in there, and cover it up with some good dirt.